Okay, we in the kitchen again.
Yeah.
What we got here?
Mon cha chroeung.
Mon cha chroeung. Look at that. Whew. One of my favorites right here, Mon cha chroeung. I didn't get here on time to see him whip it all up, but
The hot.
what's this sauce?
A lot of pepper.
Oh yeah, spicy.
This one,
What's that? Eggs?
powder.
Flour?
Yeah, flour.
Flour with water? Oh, this must be to thicken it up a little bit.
Make the food
Get that
sticky.
flavor. Ain't no flavor running out right here.
Taste.
Let's give it a taste. Man, I need the meat.
Sprinkle.
Meat. With the meat.
No, too hot.
Is this like a curry?
No, cha chroeung.
Cha chroeung. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Whoa! That shit is good as hell, but damn, that shit just burned me up. It's spicy as hell.